In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Typeform responses effortlessly. If you're looking for a way to compile your survey data or feedback efficiently, exporting your responses from Typeform is a reliable and straightforward process. So let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to access your responses. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your workspace. This is where all your forms are listed. Look for the specific form from which you want to export the responses. Go ahead and select that form. It will take you to a screen showcasing all the results associated with it. Now that you've got your form selected, look toward the top of your screen and you'll see a tab labeled Results. Click on it, and from here, navigate to the Responses option. You should now be able to see all the responses collected from your survey. At this stage, it's time to choose which responses you'd like to export. There are a couple of effective options for selecting responses for export. If your goal is to export all the responses, there's a nifty checkbox located in the header row. Simply click on that checkbox. It will select every single response with just one click. Easy, right? However, if you're interested in downloading specific responses, maybe you've conducted a segment of data analysis or received focused feedback, you can simply scroll through the list and check each individual response that you want to export manually. This customized approach can really come in handy when you're focusing on a particular subset of your data. Once you've gone through and made your selections, it's time to download what you've chosen. Look down towards the bottom of your responses table, and you'll find a download icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a pop-up window that offers you several download options. Here, you can choose to download all responses, just the filtered responses, or only the selected responses if you've made specific choices. You also have the option to decide between saving your file as a CSV or an XLSX format, depending on what you're most comfortable with and which file type will suit your needs best. Just a quick heads up, if you haven't applied any filters or selected any particular responses, some of these options might be grayed out and unavailable to you. Now let's discuss your download method options. You can choose whether you want to have your results emailed to the address associated with your Typeform account, or if you prefer, you can download them directly through your browser. Just keep in mind that currently, if you're downloading filtered responses or files uploaded through a file upload question, you'll need to do it through your browser. In such cases, the email option will also be grayed out. Once your file has been successfully downloaded, you can open it up using an application that suits your needs. Think Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Both of these applications make it super easy to view, organize, and analyze your responses thoroughly. And that's it. With those straightforward steps, exporting your Typeform responses is seamless. This process is not just efficient, it helps you maintain well-organized data that's ready for any form of analysis you have in mind. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support makes a huge difference, and it helps us create more content for you. Happy exporting!